The Extrude Brush in 3D Coat's voxel sculpting toolset is very much like the Carve Brush, except the Extrude Brush has smoothing around the edges, whereas the Carve Brush does not. So by way of comparison, I'll first use the Carve Brush, and we'll keep the same settings for both brushes. Okay, I'll switch to the Extrude Brush. Visibly softer around the edges. One other attribute about the Extrude Brush is that when you click and drag and continue brushing, it will not continue to grow like the build and the airbrush. Its height level will remain static at the designated depth level. So if I increase the depth level, that's as far as it's going to go. And smoothing does not affect it. Even though it does have some smoothing applied to it, you cannot control it with the smoothing parameter here. One handy aspect to this brush is if you use the movable stamp draw mode, it works very well with it. You could hold down the control key to invert and move your brush around. That's probably a little bit too much. Let me undo. So there we go. You can move your brush around interactively and place it wherever you need. So that's a quick look at using the Extrude Brush and 3D Coat's voxel sculpting tool set. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.